Have you ever thought about building your own vertical garden? Today, we're diving into the world of vertical gardens, these compact, space-saving wonders that not only uplift your surroundings aesthetically, but also significantly improve air quality. Building a vertical garden may seem complicated, but it's actually quite simple when you break it down into steps. So, what do you need to start your own vertical garden? First up, find a suitable wall or fence. Next, gather some planters. These can be anything from repurposed containers to specialized vertical gardening kits. Don't forget your choice of plants and a reliable watering system. Once you have gathered all your materials, you are ready to start building your vertical garden. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and start building your vertical garden. Start by securely attaching your planters to the wall. Ensure they're sturdy enough to hold your chosen plants. Next, it's time to plant. Choose a variety of plants for a vibrant display. Finally, set up your watering system. This can be as simple as a drip irrigation system or as complex as a custom-built one. And there you have it, your very own vertical garden. Look at you, a green thumb in the making. We've journeyed from gathering our materials to the final step of building a vertical garden. It's simple, isn't it? And oh so rewarding. You've created not just a garden, but a vertical oasis. Each plant, each leaf, a testament to your dedication. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.